Hi everyone, Cindy Squirrel here. Well, I was out at the garden and look what I found. Finally, first harvest of carrots and first harvest of beets. Now these carrots here was a pelleted seed and it is called Neptune. Very impressed with the length, the beauty of it. These ones are called Purple Haze. They were planted May 22nd. Today is August 27th. So 3 months to grow these suckers. Now let's see now. That one is, let's get this longest guy here. Give it a measurement. Well, 8 inches to probably where I would trim it. You're not gonna, count the whole root, I don't think, but I'll show it. It's almost a foot, right? 11, and we're still going. And then this Purple Haze, I would say we're gonna say 7 inches of edible. And again, it goes down a foot. And I really like these Cylindra beets because look at all the nice, beautiful slicing for making pickled beets. And that one's got 4.5 inches of edible. And look at that. 1 3/4 inches across at the top. Well, I'm going to weigh the one Purple Haze. I guess I'll do it in ounces. So 6.6 ounces for 1 carrot. And this one is 4.8. So quite a bit of weight difference on those two. So I'm impressed. I really like either one of those carrots. I will plant them again next year. I really like them. So that's my first weigh in for carrots. Hope everyone had a great weekend and have a wonderful week.